Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from TechFanciers. So recently Nail has provided an update for the Aero OS. So in this video we will see to how we can install that on the existing Aero OS. So this Aero OS has the the August security patch, and the current one has the September 5th security patch. So I already have downloaded it on my PC. So here I have it. So now I will just connect the USB cable in the tablet. As per the procedure, we just need to do the dirty flash. So what it is, just we can just reboot to the recovery, and from there we can install the Aero OS without deleting any issues, anything. So first I will go ahead and open the settings and check if the storage is encrypted or something. So as far as my understanding, the storage is not encrypted. So first I'll check if the USB debugging is enabled. So it's not enabled, so I'll go to system and go to developer option, and I'll enable the USB debugging. Once I enabled, let me just open the ADB tool in the platform tool in my computer, and I type CMD. So once I have this, type ADB devices. Here I have to allow that. So now it is allowed. Okay. So ADB reboot recovery. Let me first try rebooting to recovery, because this tablet, as we discussed earlier, it is not directly rebooting to the TWRP recovery. So we'll just check that whether it is happening now, or else we'll boot to the bootloader. From there we will just boot the recovery. Okay, so it's still not booting to recovery. So what I'm going to do is I'm just rebooting to bootloader. So currently it is in Fastboot mode. Now I will type Fastboot devices. So it's coming. So Fastboot boot, and then I will drag and drop the recovery file. Here I have the TWRP recovery file. I also have the instruction how to do it. Copy this command, Fastboot disable DMBRT. And then this one, Fastboot flash TWRP, hit enter. So now it is finished, so hopefully it will boot into the TWRP. I don't think it will do. Need to do Fastboot reboot recovery. Okay, finally we are in TWRP now. So now the internal storage is also there, and I'm able to see my tablet here. So what I do, I'll just go to this custom ROM tab. Here I have already downloaded this 11/9/2022. So this file I will copy to my tablet. So here it is showing two things. I will just copy it in my internal downloads. Okay, so now this file has been copied. So as per the suggestion, I will be doing the dirty flash. So I'll go to download. Here I have my ROM. I'll just select it. So I will just reboot. I'll just install it. As you can see, it is built on September 11 with the security patch of 5th September. Also, I don't think there is not much changes in terms of this build. Mostly it is same configuration, but with the updated latest security patch of Aero OS. Okay, so now we have installed. You should not do any wipe or something. You can just directly click on reboot system. Hopefully it should now reboot to our system. Also, before installing this update, I just did the all backup and other stuffs, backing up all my files and folders to the to my PC. In this one, I know it will boot, but if you are going through any other custom ROM updates or something, mostly those updates we can't confirm whether it will boot once you install it. So it is always better to have a backup. If you get any boot loop or something, when you revert it, you can just do that restoring part. So I would recommend you to take a backup before doing any stuffs with the custom ROMs. Okay, so now it is saying finishing system updates. So see, this is one good thing. So now Nail has enabled the network traffic indicator. I guess it's not Naive, I believe it's from Aero OS side. So I just enable it. So yeah, we now have the network monitor indicator in here, which is good thing. So it happened in this update. So what I do, I'll just go here and check the security patch update. So it is September 5th. So we have now we have the recent patch. So it's actually good. I didn't go through all the places what and all happened. So yeah, that's what about this video. Feel free to join our Telegram group and on TechFanciers and the Realme Pad community to connect with similar minded people. Thank you for watching. Quote motto.